Hi, sir. Firstly, thank you so much for your time and sharing your valuable insights to our students. And on behalf of Vignan University, we are glad to have here, sir. And here our students from MBA and BBA, they want to know more about new dimension of entrepreneurship.
A very good afternoon, sir. This is Syed Mohsin Anjum from second BBA section. As earlier you said that entrepreneurship is a most important thing that a person can grow from zero to what he can. I'm here to ask a question about that. How important is networking for entrepreneurship, and how a student can develop or build networking?
Very good question. So, first of all, thank you so much for inviting me, and I'm glad to share all my learnings and experience with the next generation people. Thank you so much. So, so definitely there is a divided talk about this importance of networking.
Yes.
Few people say network is net worth. Definitely, there's no doubt about it. Even I have benefited in many places because of the networking. See, networking will open doors for you. Trust me. Okay. But once the door is opened, your ability to prove it. Okay. Alone networking, we can't do anything. Alone with networking, you can't. Okay. Yes, definitely networking, but too much inclination towards only networking, no work, no. So maybe you need to literally do good work in whatever you are doing, and then try to be in touch with your industry peers, networking, okay, all stakeholders. Definitely that will benefit, but to a point of only opening a door. Okay, once the door is opened, it's your ability to prove yourself. Otherwise, even a good networking.
Can't do anything.
Yeah, see, if I know Chandrababu Naidu Garu, okay, uh, I need to add value to the sir, to the state. Then only, he will recognize me or he'll try to work with me. If I'm not adding value to the state, even though I know him as an uncle or
Yeah.
something.
Hi, sir. Myself Jahnavi. I like to ask what essential skills should a student to develop to success a entrepreneur?
So, for this, one of the, I want you to read autobiographies of successful people, like maybe Steve Jobs, or a top 100 people in entrepreneurship. Try to read the autobiographies, number one. With that, first you will get that mindset, what they are thinking, how they are thinking. Okay, the living legend example is Rataya sir. You need to study about Rataya sir, each and everything. Okay, that's the foundation. Oh, this is what the basic things are required. Okay, uh, with that, once you read, you'll make your mindset for that, and then everything will fall in place. If that mindset is not there, even though there is a gold in front of you, you can't identify that as an opportunity. So mindset is very important. So I suggest at least maybe monthly once autobiographies of entrepreneurs.
What habit do you believe an young entrepreneur should develop or adapt him or herself?
So I think learning has been the most important thing. What I've seen, the moment you stop learning, see today the world is moving too
Too
fast.
fast.
8 billion people, so many things are happening around. If you want to sustain, learning is the most. For me, learning is one of the most important thing that will keep you updated what's happening around you and around the world in your industry. Then you can strategize what can be done. I think learning has been the most important attribute, I strongly believe.
Today's entrepreneurs, they are facing the biggest challenges. How to overcome the challenges?
See, is a very umbrella question, like what entrepreneurs are having problems they have. If you want to even start a startup, there are some basic rules like whether there is a need for that product or not. It's not like about your passion, whether are you really solving the problem. Okay, and that problem definitely know how it is going to enhance the life of, that's the first thing. Once if you find out the right thing, and then there are 100 other things. Okay, you need to build team, you need to build a proper solution, you need to take care of all the resources, but the foundational thing, the challenge is identifying the right problem and working for that. Number one, if that is there, obviously a lot of challenges. Somebody says funding is a challenge, somebody says talent is a challenge, somebody says execution is a challenge. Okay, but one, the problem is one thing, identifying. Second thing is execution. Idea is just only 1%, not even 1%. Execution is most important, and in execution you have challenges at every step. So you need to find a solution and then go forward.
How emerging trends in entrepreneurship can or should watch out by every student and young student who wants to become an entrepreneur?
See, as I said before, for me, as we are speaking today, AI is going to change the every fabric of life. Entire fabric of life is going to change with AI. So how this is going to evolve, how how each of the industry is going to disrupt, that we don't know. One example, when Cisco WebEx launched a teleconference solution, airline business has fallen down, because airline never expected that a video conferencing solution will hit their business, right? So today the disruption, that time the disruption may come not only from their industry but from outside. But this AI is going to come from, is going to be in every industry, I think. So I think AI trends and how AI is going to reshape the world, you need to keep an eye on how AI is going to reshape every industry, and then you need to catch that industry. Then we all may survive. This is what
How do you celebrate your success and what to learn from your failure?
success. There is no destination for success. Okay, success is a journey. Number one, at one point of time what happens is, the moment you reach to that success, that's a small milestone you feel, and then how can I make this as a next 10x. If Rataya sir has 60,000 students, how can he make 1 lakh students, Bangalore and Mumbai? The moment he achieves that, how can we make 2 lakh
2 lakhs.
students? Okay, so that is my definition is success is just a small milestone. So celebration means, see, definitely that's a team effort. That's a I will, give reward that to the everyone around you who has helped. That is the best thing to, celebrate success. Not you alone can't do anything. Okay, this is one thing. And failure you need to see as a lesson. You need to learn from it. You should not give up. That's it. So failures, the biggest failure is repeating the same thing again. The cost of any failure is not learning from it, right? So if you are doing the same thing again and failing the same thing, then we are fools. That's it. So but otherwise you should embrace failure, you should love failure. Okay, how much you enjoy success, same thing failure also. So one point of stage, even if you fail, it's like how much you cherished when you are happy. Same thing, even when you failure also, okay, that's fine, tomorrow I will try to do it again and succeed. So failure is all about learning, and it's a part of your success story.
What are the strength and weakness of our RDP workstation, sir, if I ask?
See, we are into design engineer affordable computers. If you see our product, okay, the USP is generally strength and weakness. Instead of saying like that, the USP is our products is a price, okay, and very good service after sales. These are the two big USPs of our company. And weakness means definitely the brand name, because it require a huge, say, Apple, Dell, Lenovo, HP. We are in that segment. They have a huge money to build a brand, but of course they took their own time. It's not like they have built overnight. So we are trying to build our own brand with whatever the resources we are having. Okay, so I'm sure, I don't think it's a weakness, but it's a journey.
Sir, what advice you will give to young managers and enthusiastic entrepreneurs that they will believe and follow?
So managers are different and entrepreneurs
Entrepreneurs
are
are
different.
different.
So see, if you ask me about the entrepreneurs, everybody says, you need to, what your intuition is telling, do that. Whatever you feel, uh, that this is what I want to do, this is what my calling. They should follow themselves. They should follow themselves. They should not listen to the each and everybody, but they should listen to themselves. See why? Because you can make a career in Sachin Tendulkar cricket also. So nowadays we are seeing the new economy, the creators and all. Okay, they are so much big famous, in everywhere. So they are just doing whatever their interests are. So I strongly suggest for entrepreneurs, uh, listen to their calling and do what they want to do. If they can do that, I think success will follow, even if it's a late. But so, and for managers, always they need to grow themselves. And manager means, managing, motivating their
Managing.
team. Okay, so most of the managers, they should not have. I always tell to many people, managers, one of the most important trait manager should not have is insecurity. Every manager has an insecure feeling. If I teach something to my
Yeah,
team,
they will go.
they will go better. But that's not the case. I tell to managers, boss, you deserve what you get in your life. Even if you don't teach also, they will learn. He want to learn, he will learn. It's better you tell, so that he'll have some that regard to you. So I tell, build a great team, and build that great team culture for winning.
Thank you, sir. We are honored that you are here as a guest.
Thank you so much.
Thank you, sir.